Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn off Telegram notification, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off your Telegram notifications, first open up your Telegram app. And before we proceed guys, you need to know a thing, that is you'll be only able to particularly turn off Telegram notifications. To do that, at the top left corner of the screen, you can see there's a three-line icon option available for us. Tap on that three-line icon at the top left. And when this panel appears, you can see there is the settings available for us just below the saved messages. Tap on settings, and over here you can see there is the notifications and sounds option available for us. Tap on notifications and sounds, and you can see guys, there are a lot of notifications and sounds which you can turn off particularly. Now in order to turn off a Telegram notification sounds all at once, we will be required to go to the settings of our phone. So let's open up the settings, and on this interface scroll down until you can find the app section of your phone. You can see there is the apps just below the battery. Tap on apps, and on this interface at the top of the screen you can see there is the app management option available for us. Tap on that app management, and you land on this interface. Again, at the top of the screen there is the search bar available for us. Tap on the search bar and search for Telegram over here, and you can see there is the Telegram option available for us. Tap on Telegram. You will be on this interface where you can see there is the manage notification over here just above the permissions. Tap on manage notifications, and you can see there is the toggle icon available for us at the left side of allow notification. Now in order to turn off all of the Telegram notifications at once, tap on the toggle icon at the left side of allow notifications like this, and all of the notifications from Telegram will be turned off. And with that being said guys, this is how to turn off Telegram notifications. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.